Now we are move our discussion on restoration poetry. The study of restoration literature must begin with its poetry. The study of restoration literature must begin with its poetry. These words says at once by Kazamiya. Kazamiya. Yes, this is because of the formalism which characterized the age. The age is best reflected in poetry. Form now comes into the foreground of the art of writing, and it is in poetry that the elaboration of form is carried farthest. The best elaborator of form in this age is also the most representative figure of age. He is Dryden. If we are talking about the best elaborator of restoration age in the poetry of form, in this age is also the most representative figure of age that we called the Dryden, John Dryden. John Dryden was a great Havit poet. Havit poet, you can also call it Havit poet. If you are start to write, then I will pronounce the spelling Hawedpoet. Havit poet. According to J.R. Lowell, he is the greatest of the poets who link up the Renaissance with the neoclassical age. This means John Dryden is the link-up poet who links the Renaissance period with the neoclassical age. He has the classical passion for perfection of form, clarity, obedience to rules, logical reasoning, but he has also the Elizabethan fights of fancy and imagination as well as the emotional ardor. He does not apply the unities regularly. He perfects the verse form of the new poetry, the heroic couplet. He mingles comedy with tragedy. Yes, he starts to mingle the tragedy with comedy. He is nearer to the true classical than the poet of the next generation, referred to as the pseudo classics. His classicism is made over restraint and self disciplined romanticism. Dryden made his mark as a satirist with the publication of Absalom and Achitophel in 1861. Absalom and Achitophel in 1861. It was followed in quick succession by The Medal, and second is Macflecknoe, and third is the Absalom and Achitophel Part Second, written in collaboration with Nahum Tate. Nahum Tate, you can write it with Nahumtate. Nahum Tate. Samuel Butler. Samuel Butler was a royalist, and in his powerful satire Hudibras, Hudibras, he has satirized Puritanism in what may be called doggerel verse, largely on the pattern of the comic Daggard of Skeleton. Hudibras is a mock epic aimed at the Puritans. It describes the adventures of a fanatical justice of peace. It is undoubtedly the greatest satire outside Dryden's Absalom and Achitophel, and remains the masterpieces of satire in the grotesque manner.